Hi, Print Fix here. If your Epson printer suddenly shows the message, "A printer's ink pad is at the end of its service life when you try to print," and the indicator lights start blinking, don't worry. You're in the right place. This simply means your printer needs to be reset. Let's fix it. Before we begin, make sure your printer is connected using a USB cable. The resetter will not work over Wi-Fi. Also, ensure that the Epson L3250 driver is properly installed on your computer, not just the default Windows driver. Next, open your browser and type the website address shown on the screen. Follow the instructions on that page to download the resetter tool. Once the download is complete, extract the resetter file using WinRAR or any other extraction software. Now open the extracted folder and run the resetter program. If a security warning appears, simply allow it to run. Once the program opens, click on Select, then choose your printer model, Epson L250. In the port section, you can select Auto Selection or manually choose the correct USB port connected to your printer. Click on Particular Adjustment Mode. Then select Waste Ink Pad Counter and click OK. Check the main pad counter. After that, click Initialization to reset the counter. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK. The reset process is now complete. You will see a message on the screen asking you to turn off the printer. Turn off your printer, wait until all the lights are completely off, then turn it back on. Your printer should now be back to normal, indicated by the lights no longer blinking. Now click Get Status in the resetter program. The printer status should now show ready to print. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and happy printing.